What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Good With It video. It is a Friday afternoon. I'm starting to pack some things up, getting things ready, because in the morning, me and Mitch and hopefully Cole, he hasn't confirmed yet with us, but the three of us maybe will be going to a pond and hunting some wood ducks. We hunted this pond a couple of weeks ago. Had a few fly in, enough to have some fun, so we're gonna go back and see what it looks like now. AB won't be joining us, miss you AB, but he is currently actually in the hospital with his newborn twins, with his wife Rachel, and so excited for them. Congratulations to them, but that's why AB won't be in the video like you'll see. But yeah, we're gonna go in the morning. Duck season is kind of winding down here in the state of Florida. We have a little over a week left, so we're trying to get the last couple of hunts in before it ends. It'll be probably pretty cold in the morning, at least for us Florida boys. Be about mid-30s, low 30s, and so hoping to find some ducks, wood ducks, maybe even some hooded mergansers we've seen in this pond a time or two, and who knows what else. So gonna bring you guys along and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Let's do it. All right, well, it is the next morning. It is currently about 5:30 and about 34 degrees. Waiting on Mitch to get here. Cole bailed on us, said something about it being too cold for him to have holes in his waders. So Cole won't be joining us, but Mitch will be. So me and Mitch are about to head up to the pond, get set up, and hopefully some ducks will be flying in.
So today we're kind of going in a little blind. Not gonna lie, it's our second time hunting this pond. It's just me and Jeret. We're gonna split up, kind of cover on both sides of the pond, and really just hope that some wood ducks come in. I think we'll run 2 jerk rigs. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. We're just gonna hope for the best. Kind of going in blind and hoping for the best. So we'll see.
I know, girl. Stay. Stay, Bill.
I hear some.
Yeah. They went way back there. Yeah, I think I killed both of those. It's another one. Coming to you, and out in front. Open water. Or out in the middle.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot him.
Your gun is so loud. You ready to get it? You ready? Belle, go get it, girl. Go get it. That was Belle. Good. Place. Place. Hey, place. Place. Good girl. Good girl. Leave. Good girl. It was killing you, wasn't it, girl? Oh. I'm gonna start trying to get Belle to get these. Come on, girl. Hey, go fetch up. Dead bird, dead bird. Fetch it up.
Getting it?
Good girl, yeah. Here.
Girl, Bill. Yeah, Jared, I think over here might be better.
You think so? I was gonna say it's gotta be more open over there.
Well, when you come around here and get these two ducks out, you'll see what I mean.
Good girl.
Probably, I don't know, 20 yards from where the water is open.
Good girl. Drop. Good. All right, place. Place. Here. Dead bird. Belle, fetch it up. What's up?
Did you shoot one on this side?
Yeah, but I think it came all the way over here and fell. Dead bird, back. Good girl. She found another one. Good girl. Good girl, Belle Belle. Good girl. Drop. Good girl. Oh, we're trying to round up these last few ducks. I think we've got one more. It was kind of hiding. Mitch and Belle are coming around to come and get this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's up in the grass right there. Found a little spot to hide from us. So they're coming around to come get this duck, and then we'll start loading up. I think we got our limit, so pretty good day out on the pond. I think this is going to be a good hole for us next year, so looking forward to that. Come here, girl. Hey, come here. Come on. Hey, Belle. Dead bird. Dead bird. Belle. Dead bird. Going right to it.
Good girl, Belle.
Good girl. Here. Good girl.
Shoot its head off?
It's very possible. It was like in that grass, and it was all I could like really make out.
Yeah. I think
so I aimed for the head. She might have it in her mouth. Yeah, she's down the bottom.
Stop, Belle. Stop, Belle. Drop, drop, drop.
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 Drop. Girl.
Good girl, Belle. I wish you could have got that on video.
Which one?
With her chasing this thing, because she chased it.
Oh, really?
Those front cypress trees.
That's why she's worn out.
She chased it all around it. It was just laying there, and I was like, oh, it's dead. And as soon as she got about from like 10 yards from it.
Girl, was that fun?
That was honestly really good for her.
Yeah.
Because she was like right behind them. She just couldn't catch
Come on,
up to them.
come on, let's go.
As she got about 10 yards from it, and that thing was like had its head laying like this, and it got about 10 yards. She got about 10 yards from it, and that thing said, he started swimming. I was like, oh crap.
It was pretty lively when I walked up to it over here.
It couldn't fly. Though.
Yeah, yeah. No, it literally got right in the middle of that grass. Had you not told me that there was a duck there, I would have never seen it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
All right, well, just finished up, gathered up our ducks, got our limit. It's a good hunt. Belle did good.
Phenomenal, I would say.
Yeah, she did really well. Probably the best hunt of the year, which is good. She's getting nice and used to it, and now we're gonna be done for the season, so we'll have to do it again next year. But it was fun, a little cold. A little cold for...
That's what we want.
Yeah, that's how the ducks like it, so if the ducks like it, then we like it. But yeah, it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed, and just like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.